Hi, so right now what we're doing is a wide leg squat with a shoulder kettlebell move. In this, as you can see, the toes are rightly pointing towards each side, which is right and left. Squat down nice in a comfortable position where your knees are behind your toes. Using the kettlebell move, go down straight in the squat position, making sure that the arm extended is straight at the elbow. Once when you extend up, make sure the arm extended above is also straight at the elbow. I think a set of about 12 to 15 counts on one side should be great using one hand. Thereafter, you can repeat the same using the other hand. This move is an excellent burn for your core, lower body, for your upper body, which includes the shoulders, the traps, and the muscles behind the back. Enjoy the move, watch and practice.